Hola! So in this video, you're gonna walk into my room and see what's inside. Let's start in 3, 2, 1. This is the front door, basically saying to take off your shoes because I'm lazy to mop the floor. Sorry. Oh well, the only place I can brag about my educational achievement. That's my speaker Marshall and innocent me at the back. Still on the same spot, vitamin, already that alarm clock, Kellen Erso, my grandpa, a card when I was born, and of course Batman. Oh, that's my 8K finisher medal. A collection of Robbie Williams albums, watches, and Mia Nastari. This is Pucci. The lowest one I put my magazines and my musical instruments and a guitar outside. I hang some posters on the wall. This is Jakarta. Bali gold body from my friend. John Lennon, not really a fan, but it's cool. Handwear I put bracelet. I have PlayStation, Robbie greetings card, a 40-inch TV. Legalized Salt and King from Better Call Saul, also bought from a friend. There's a wireless keyboard somewhere in here. I also put my Switch Lite, PlayStation joystick and notebook on the wall for easy access. This is my mounted desk. I have trolley underneath, you'll see after this. Some random Indian figures. Ganesh from Sacred Games. Lots of celebrities. Made this poster myself. A Darth Vader for my sunglasses. I drew this on the cover of my SAP training material. And some doodling I made. The trolley I mentioned before, first one to put my skin, hair, body care, containers for my cable and stationery. Below that, I put tapes, travel, toilet bag, and other stationeries. Also on the other side, I put body lotion with tissue and baby powder. The last one is for notebook and paper. Hi Zifa. The bookshelf, I don't like remembering covers color, so this is by Jared and author. That was non-fiction adults. Most of these are non-fiction children. And then, fiction children. The next one is fiction adults. And then the last one, comics and Roland Goki's keyboard, and also my backpack. What's that behind the curtain? The wardrobe. My room is small, so I detached the doors. This is what it looks like. Ayo, wait, stocks. The right side, I put my luggage and my t-shirts and sweaters. Well, almost all are black, and some thin fabric trousers. The middle one is for my shirts, kebaya, kurtis, jackets, and jeans. And box for toiletries. Oh, hi again. I don't like to put my shoes near the front house's door because it gets dusty easily, so I put it in the clear boxes like this. I think that's kinda a lot, right? So that's it. It's time for you to go. I'll see you out. Oh, there are some artworks I made when I was still using my iPhone 4S. Yeah, that's kinda bragging. Oh wait, Ziva is there on my tray. Okay, bye-bye now. See you soon. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe.